If you had to come up with a short jingle to describe the work that you do at Southland, what would it be?
Okay.
Let's hear it.
BIM modeling and sending out sheets. Southland is there to deliver your air.
Okay, you know what? Hey, I'm Damian Munoz. I'm the estimating intern.
Nice to meet you. My name is Amanda Luyks, and I'm a design engineering intern.
What interests you about AEC/MEP industry?
It's something that's not really thought of as like an engineering path. Like when you're in college, you are always thinking of, especially as a mechanical engineer, you're thinking of, oh, I'm gonna work in aerospace and the automobile industry. And you never really think about how mechanical engineers are needed in construction, you know, piping, plumbing, all that fun stuff. Describe your area of focus as an intern in one sentence to someone that may not know anything about it.
We predict every aspect of a building's construction before anything hits the dirt. We do take into account not only the finances, but different methods, the site conditions for MEP specifically. Can you name 3 job functions of a BIM intern?
So the first job function is we model things in Revit, and we don't have that model from the manufacturer yet. We'll make a preliminary model and place that in there so we have it for clearances and sizing. The next thing we do would be we do point load calculations. So if there is piping running along the ceiling, right, we will calculate the weight of that. So we can notify the structural team if the building can hold that and stuff like that. The third thing we do, and we do a lot of it, is like QCing work. So, you know, we take a look at what has been done by other teams and make sure it's, you know, fitting and working with what we're trying to do. How do you think your work in your area of focus connects to my area of focus?
Modeling. So with estimating, you kind of have to understand how the project's gonna work, how every little single fitting pipe runs over under each other. Your department definitely helps with that. There's been instances where I asked my supervisor, hey, how is this duct gonna run through here? And he's went back to some of the BIM drawings and shown me like, oh, like there's an offset on top and offset on the bottom. Sometimes it goes around. Little details like that you guys bring to life before it's even constructed.
And that's something I've learned since being here, is how much all the disciplines need to interact in order to accomplish like a building or whatever the project was. If you could create the perfect intern activity for Southland interns, what would it be?
Building a shed.
What kind of shed?
Tool shed.
Tool shed?
Yeah.
We gotta put a toilet, we need to look at the fixtures. You can start estimating.
Yeah, have all your fixture units.
How do you feel about the company-wide cornhole tournament?
She cheated. We were practicing with each other, and she would sabotage me by giving me bad advice.
That's not true.
So when we came up to each other, when we came face to face, she hit like 3 of them.
You're just salty that you went to the loser's bracket.
Don't trust your coworkers.
Oh.
That's the tip of the day.
Don't trust your coworkers for competitive games.
Yeah, for competitive games.
There we go.
You can trust them for work, but not competitive games.